Welcome back to DinaLicious 101. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious arroz con leche. In translation, rice pudding. Here's what we'll be using today. We'll be using about 1.5 cups of rice, some condensed milk, some evaporated milk, 1 to 2 cups of regular milk, some cinnamon sticks, about 3 tablespoons of raisins, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to wash your rice. I like to use the colander because it's the easiest way to not waste any of your rice. Next, at medium heat, we're going to put our rice to cook. We're going to add about 2 cups of water. A little bit more. While it's cooking, we're going to add 2 sticks of cinnamon. And we're going to let our rice cook for about 15 minutes. Keep watching. Now that our rice has been cooking for about 15 to 18 minutes, it's still not fully cooked, but we are now ready to add the rest of our ingredients. It's already softened up a bit. I'm going to add 1 cup of milk, regular milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 can condensed milk, stir a little bit. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Pinch of salt. I forgot to add that in my ingredients. I'm gonna add 1 more cup of milk. Now we're going to cover this up and we're going to let it cook for about 15 more minutes. Keep watching. Our rice has been cooking for about 15 to 18 minutes, so it's just about done. Now you can add your raisins. You could add more if you wish. I like to add them towards the end, that way they're not too mushy. And it gives our rice really good flavor. So I'm about ready to turn off my stove and let this cool off, and then I'll go ahead and show you the final product. And this is our final product. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, I just garnished it with a little bit of powdered cinnamon, and it is amazing. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Please let me know in the comment section if you do and if you liked it. Don't forget, as usual, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye!